This is the dryer. When you cut it, when you open it, make sure you go on the dotted line, because that way you don't scratch your dryer. And we show you why you should cut there. See, you put this thing here. So if you cut on the dotted line. See, it goes to this box. It doesn't hit the dryer or the washer. So follow the dotted line. Okay. There's dotted line here too. Okay, and in the back here. So I'm just gonna cut this side, then I'll slide it up. All right. Back of the dryer, you need a 1/4 inch nut driver. So. Remove the screws. So here's the wire. The way they set it up is the middle is the neutral. So here's the wire. When you insert it in here, it's gonna go like this. Okay. Hot, and neutral, the middle. Now if you're installing 4/4, this one will go here, and this one will go together with the white wire and the ground here. But this is only for 3. Okay, this is only for 3. So this one will go like this because it matches with this one right here. All right, so let's install that. I'll go like that. Go up here, and the wire will go in the middle. This thing will go here. All right, so let's run the wire through. Like that. Now this is very, very important. Do not drop this screw. Okay, do not drop it. If you drop it there, and since this one is it doesn't have a hollow bottom, you're gonna have to remove the whole cover in order to find that screw. So do not drop the screw when you loosen it. So put your hand right there, just in case. Let's do this already. So take it up my hand. All right. I'll put the strainer later. I'm gonna install this one first while I can. Do not lose the screw. So, see, it's still lined up. Middle goes in the middle. Okay. Then you can bend that. I'll start in the middle. Alright, do not over tighten it, okay? Just tighten up. This one here. Hot. By the way, in here is color coded, so there's like red, that's hot, white's neutral, black is hot. Push that down. All right, do not over tighten. Let's put the strainer in. Now the strainer's job is to keep it from being pulled. when you move the dryer, it keeps it from being pulled from the connector here. Dang, no access. Hard to put the strainer. I need a tubby screwdriver. So the strainer is here. So see, when you, if it's plugged and you actually pull the wire, it doesn't pull the wire from here. It moves the whole body. Alright, so let's put the cover, plug it in, and it should work. Should. And this thing was just clipping the side. I don't think I need to remove that. But so just tighten that clamp. And just plug it in and push it backwards. See how the duct is looking in there? That's very bad, so that's why I'm replacing it with a new one, since this is a new dryer, so might as well replace the duct too. That's over like 10 years old, that duct right there. Right, it's been stretched. So. Alright, everything is done. Nice airflow right there right now. It doesn't have like a very sharp curve, which is good. Right, so that's how you install a dryer. Right, thank you for watching. I hope this helped. See you next time. Goodbye.